Hey y'all, today we're going to look at this ANDELI Welding Helmet. The brand did send it over and compensate us for this video, but let me show you all the cool features that this helmet has. So first of all, right out of the box, it is ready to use. It does come in a nice storage bag, so you can easily take it with you on the go. But inside, it has the actual helmet, and then it's got the instructions. But first off, the viewing area is massive. It has like a 3.9 by 3.74 inch main screen with a side view. So the panoramic 180-degree view really helps you see what you're doing without constantly having to turn your head when you're welding. One thing that's super handy is right up here it has a button, and it has built-in LED lighting on each side. It's got 4 LED lights. When you're welding in a really dim space or just need some extra visibility, you're covered. It also has a setting button right there, so you can dim it to how bright or how dim you need it. In the actual welding performance, the auto darkening function is very fast. It'll switch from light to dark in just seconds. It has 4 sensors up there that are great at detecting arcs, even in very tricky lighting situations. For protection, it's got UV and IR shielding, so your eyes are well protected. And even with the lights running, the battery life holds up for about 3 to 6 hours, which is perfect for those longer jobs. When you're low on power, you can just plug it into a Type-C charger for a really quick recharge. Over here, you have all your options of changing the sensitivity for the light. You have a delay. You have a weld or grind, and then you've got different knobs up here. You've got the adjustment back here for different head sizes. It's got this nice headband back here that doesn't hurt your head when you wear it for long periods of time. Another great feature about these lights is that when your hands are full and you're doing a project of some sort, you don't want to have to stop what you're doing to turn the light on and off. You can just simply wave your hand in front of it and it will turn off. And if you need to turn it back on and your hands are full, you just wave it right in front and it'll turn on and off. So you don't have to use the button on top. You can just simply use your hands. It also does come with another one of the shields. So if you just want a clear shield, you can simply take it out and replace it with that. Overall, it's a solid choice if you're looking for something that's functional, comfortable, and easy to use. The lighting, the motion controls, and wide view really make a difference when you're working in different conditions.